All right, YouTube. Maybe you're like me. Maybe you hate chain binders and ratchet binders and wanted something just a little different. Well, I'm going to give a review of these new speed binders that I just ordered. Okay, I just got them today. Just got them out of the box. And this is kind of the way they show up. I don't know if they're powder coated or not, but these things look like, almost like they were used. These just came out of the box too, I'm not lying. Grab this one. Yep. Alright. Now, I didn't buy these things to be pretty and all. So, I guess that really doesn't bother me all that much. I mean, they're going to get thrown in a trailer. They're going to get banged around, beat around. So let's go ahead and give them a try. 9/16 wrench. Looks like they were pre-greased, so... There's quite a reduction on there, so I imagine when you, I imagine your drill would be tight enough to get these things really tight with equipment. Well, I think you kind of get the point, right? I probably want to put a little more grease on that. I'll shoot these. They were greased, I'm sure, but I'll shoot just, I'll shoot just a little more in there. My impressions of them, and they're heavy. These things are beastly. So they're, quite a quality product, looks like. I don't know about the coating they put on them, but, I mean, these things are just going to get tossed around anyways. They're not going to stay pretty long, even if they came all perfectly shiny, so... this is a 3/8 by 1/2 inch. That's beastly. They look pretty stout. Don't really have anything to tie down with them right yet, but... just thought I'd give an independent review here of my initial thoughts on them. So I'd order them again right now, and I imagine they'll they'll work just good. Let's see. I can't do this in film, so when I'll be hauling out a piece of equipment, I'll shoot another video, maybe attach it to this one.